Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's edition of Socially Distanced Safety. I'm sure after the high of last week's Safety Week, you're not sure exactly how we'll top it, but I've got something that can be pretty close, and what you're looking at here is a new addition to what we have to our site. This is an emergency spill kit, and I wanted to take a couple minutes here this morning to talk to everybody about it. I know you're probably thinking, well, we already have spill kits on site, and what do we need those for anyway? We have a building in place here, but this is a little bit different type of a spill kit that we're bringing onto site. What this is a kit that's going to be there in case a sprinkler head were ever to be hit, or for some other reason we had some other uncontrolled amount of water flowing on site, and we would be able to use this kit to make sure that we are limiting the amount of damage that might be occurring from the uncontrolled water flowing, and also to let us get on top and get the water flow controlled as quickly as possible. So you'll see these cans around. We're going to have 3 of them, 2 down on the main floor and 1 up on the second level. The first thing that we want to make sure that everybody does know is, again, that big warning there on top. These are not trash cans. I know they might look a lot like trash cans, and I know you might be inclined to throw trash away because we have a fastidious site that wants to make sure that everything is clean and picked up off the ground. Please avoid putting stuff in here so that we can keep these kits ready in the event that something were to happen, and we can limit the damage to site as much as possible. So if there ever were a moment in time in which a sprinkler head were hit or we had water flowing, we would want you to go find one of these kits, and at the same time, we need to make sure that you are alerting other people, that you're telling Anderson that this has happened so we can help and we can assist in limiting the damage. This is something that would be an obviously urgent matter, and we want to make sure that everybody is contributing to get this fixed. But you would come to this kit, you would take off the lid. In here, you'll see a couple different items. Number 1, you'll see this yellow box here. We'll go into that in a second. In addition, you will see some sorbent pads that you can pull out open that will help you clean up some of the mess. You'll also see over here a roll of what's called lay flat tubing, and you'll be able to use this to put over the sprinkler head and use these zip ties to secure the lay flat around it, which will assist you in directing the water to a more preferable location, most likely a sink or out a window or somewhere we can get it where it wouldn't do as much damage. The other thing that you did see when I opened up the box is this product is called a shotgun. If you were to open this, it is a tool, it's a device that we were able to use that will work for both a broken head as if it were sheared off, and one that is for one that just the bulb itself is broken in there. There is a little bit of training that goes along with that. I will include that in a second link that's going to come out at the same time with this video. So please take a look at that so you know how to use this equipment if we do need it. Obviously, our preferred outcome would be that we never use these things, that they just collect dust. But in the event that something does occur, we would hate for all the hard work everyone has put in to go to waste. So we want to make sure that everybody is staying on top of it and knows where these kits are and that we are maintaining them. Please take a look and take note of where these are. If you ever see one that looks out of place or looks like maybe it's missing some equipment, let us know. We will be trying to keep track of these. And we're, again, excited to not use these on site. So hopefully they will just sit there and collect dust. And if you have any questions or concerns about how these work, or maybe you've seen something that works better, please let us know. Hope everybody has a great week, and we will see you out there. Thank you very much.